Hello everyone, welcome back for another class, welcome back for another video, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out resistance band workout. I will try to cover almost everything you need in this workout for your daily life. What does that mean? If you have only 20 minutes, if you have only one resistance band, this workout will help you to work almost on all your group of muscles that can maintain your body on the good level, especially if you are getting older or you are seated. Like, it is very helpful. You can like almost practice it everywhere, in your office, at home, wherever you have space and time. So let's inhale first deeply. Exhale. About resistance, like mine is written light. That means around like 20 pounds, 25, 30 pounds, something like this. It all depends on from your body weight. But you should not choose something too tight first. Later, if you'll find it like very easy for you, you can just change it by another one. I think this kind of stuff you can find is very cheap, nothing complicated. Here we go. One more inhale. Exhale. Okay, we will start from upper body and then drives, so we will go work on lower body as well. Okay, relax first. I will turn back to you first. What we need, we're gonna work on our posture. So first, like this, you grab, rotate your palms like this. I will turn back to you. You need to relax your trapeze. Everything should be relaxed, arms should be straight. While we go right now, we're gonna pull one by one back. Right, left, and right, one by one, nice and smooth. Inhale first deeply. Keep your arms straight in front. Let's drive backwards. Left first. Right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Okay, this was the first one. The second one, arm goes fully straight. We're gonna open up. You need to keep the resistance band same. You need to open up a little bit and drive your resistance band behind your head and back. Here we go. 12. Let's work. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5. Squeeze your upper back. 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, one more. 10, 2 more. 1, 2, and release. I told 12. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. The last one will be, you keep your arms straight, but this time you're gonna rotate your arms like thumb outside, like this, outside. And from here, with your thumb outside rotated, we're gonna push towards the side a little bit, push towards the side. You will activate your scapula, shoulder blades, which is very helpful for your posture. So rotate, inhale, open up, and 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 12, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. When you do this free exercise for your upper back, for your posture, make sure you are contracting and engaging your upper back, so you are not like using your arm strength, but you're working with your upper back. This is very important. Here we go. This was the 3 that are very important for your thoracic spine. If you find like easy for you, you can add 20 reps, 25 reps, as long as you feel really good. Okay, the next one will be, we're gonna lie down on your chest. Same thing, arms go straight in front. Place your arms inside of your resistance band. From here, what we're gonna do, you grab your resistance band. From here, we're gonna drive once, resistance band towards your chest. Another one behind your head. 12, nice and smooth. Don't forget your upper back is working. Inhale first deeply. Exhale, let's work. Squeeze. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and release. Okay, after you did this, quick stretch, arm on the ground, inhale very deeply, go to down dog, breathe, down dog, 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. Then stand up. We're gonna start with glutes. So what we have here, you place your resistance band higher than your knees a little bit higher. Don't put it too high, and also it should not be very low, like this. Then your left foot, you should rotate it a little bit outside, drive it backwards, and from here you need to elevate your left. So as you can see, it drives not backwards but a little bit like 45 degrees on the side. So from here we're gonna do 12 on each side. Inhale first, let's work. Right is stable, working from the left. Back, 2, 3, nice, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, release. Inhale, same thing with the right leg. Open towards the side a little bit, drive it back, bend slightly your left knee. We're gonna work from the right. Inhale, let's work. 2, 3, nice, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, good one. Then the next one, backwards. Keep the resistance band same. We're gonna activate, just drive. You can put your right leg a little bit more forward. From here, you need to elevate your left leg back, but try to not arch like your lower back, your lumbar, right? Contract, work from your glutes. Inhale, 12 on each side. 2, nice, 3, 4, backwards, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same thing, but right side. Keep your legs wide open. Inhale, let's work. 2, high, 3, 4, 5, nice, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, nice. Okay, inhale deeply first, exhale. Then we place the resistance band lower than your knees a little bit, open up, sumo squat. From here, the main goal is you're gonna push, you're gonna squat, and you're gonna feel the resistance like here, which is very useful for your knees. Go slower, don't complain. Inhale, let's work. 12, and 2, nice, 3, go ahead, 4, 5, 6, 7, awesome, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and trust, hold 5 seconds here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. The next one, we're gonna continue with core. You're gonna step on your resistance band, starting from the left leg, legs outside a little bit. We're gonna bend the left knee up, engaging, contracting everything. So your leg and core is working here a lot. Here we go, 12 on each side. Let's work. And 2, nice, 3, 4, 5, push, 6, 7, nice, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. Then we'll switch, right one, 1 high, 2 push, 3, nice, 4, go ahead, 5, 6, nice, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, release. Awesome. After you did this, hamstrings. You place your left leg inside, the right leg should step on the resistance band. From here, we're gonna curl, we're gonna bend the left leg. Right now, your hamstring, Your hamstring is working really good. So 12 on each side. Inhale. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, squeeze. Stay focused on your hamstring. 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Awesome. Then we switch. Same thing, right leg. Inside, open up. Feel the hamstring. Let's work. 12, 2, nice. 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Good job. You need to feel the hamstring in your butt. Release. Inhale first deeply. Then exhale. Okay. We're gonna do one more for our core. So from here, place your elbow, your right elbow on the ground. Left leg goes back. As you can see, my left leg already I drive it towards the side. And then when I went from here, your right elbow is on the ground. Lock your core low back. We need to drive towards the side, bring it back. Drive towards the side, bring it back. Here you work on your core, thigh muscle, lower back, glutes. A lot of group of muscles working here. Inhale first deeply. Elevate the left foot and then start to bend. 12. And back. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Inhale first deeply. Then exhale. Place your left elbow on the ground. Right leg drives straight back. Inhale. Let's work. 12. And 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. And release. Awesome, my friends. After you did this, take a deep breath. Lie down on your back. Exhale. Place your resistance band at the moment lower than your knees a little bit. From here, we're gonna go to bridge. Rotate your pelvis, elevate your back. Push your knees outside. Keep holding right now this bridge. Toes up. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just regular bridge. Open your legs towards the side more. You feel the tension more. Push. In the same time, push your knees outside and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. We're gonna finish strong with core and legs. You place your resistance band on your toes. Left leg go fully straight. Engaging, core is working everything. Right leg is pushing up. And you're gonna switch. Left and right. 20, let's work. 1, 2, flat back. 3, elevate your head. 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more. 1, push. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Awesome. Nice and smooth. Stand up. Let's do a quick twist. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your knees towards the chest. Right elbow towards your left knee. Inhale. Exhale. Twist. Then we'll switch. Awesome. That's it. Nice and quick workout. They cover almost everything. Of course, it doesn't cover too much your biceps, but here when you will do even like upper back, it will engage your biceps as well. So mainly, if you will do this practice daily, trust me, after 1 month of daily practice, you will feel big difference in your lower back, legs, core, and you feel much better. So take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace out, my friends.